For some people, the idea of connecting with spirit guides feels natural. For others, it can feel confusing, out of reach, or even a little intimidating. You might wonder, am I doing this right? Am I imagining it? Is this even real? What if I don't hear or see anything at all? The truth is, connection with spirit guides doesn't have to look like visions or voices. It doesn't have to be dramatic or even clear. It can be subtle, felt, relational. And one of the most powerful ways to access that connection is through the body. Your body is often the first to notice when something meaningful is happening. Maybe it's a chill down your spine, or a warmth at your back, or a quiet knowing that comes without any explanations. Sometimes a sense of presence arrives when you're not looking for it, a feeling that you're not alone, or that some unseen support is gently standing behind you or walking beside you. You might feel it during a pause in your day, or while lighting a candle, or walking in nature, or even in the middle of something ordinary like doing the dishes or folding laundry or driving home. Often it's not loud, it's just a subtle shift. Here's one way to explore this. Find a quiet moment, maybe place a hand on your chest or wrap your arms around yourself like you're giving yourself a hug or gently holding your shoulders. Feel your breath. Then invite in all your guides, whatever that means to you. Ancestors, spirit helpers, wise ones, unseen support. You don't have to know who they are. Just invite and then feel. Notice any sensations, any images, words, emotional shifts, anything at all. There's no right or wrong. The invitation itself is the practice. If nothing happens, that's totally okay. Trust that the connection is already there. You're just remembering how to sense it or sense into it. The body is your ally in this remembering. It carries a language that isn't always verbal, but is always honest. You don't have to reach far to connect. Sometimes all it takes is a pause, a breath, a willingness to listen. I'd love to hear what this brought out for you, a sensation, a resistance, a memory, a moment of stillness, or even just a question. Feel free to share in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.